Welcome back, hustlers. Today I'm about to reveal the secret weapons that could change your financial future without requiring you to have any coding skills or fancy degrees. We're talking about leveling the playing field using the power of AI. Get ready for 10 AI tools that will make you rich in 2025, no skills needed. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, we've got ChatGPT Pro by OpenAI. ChatGPT Pro is like having a team of professional writers at your fingertips 24/7, but without the hefty price tag. Imagine having a personal assistant who writes for you 24/7. And the best part? It's as simple as typing a prompt. You tell ChatGPT Pro what you need and it just delivers. Next up, we have Jasper AI, another powerhouse in the content creation game. Jasper AI is perfect for those moments when you have a killer idea, but need help fleshing it out. You simply input your topic, maybe give it a bit of direction and watch the magic happen. Jasper AI takes it from there. It's like having a team of professional writers working tirelessly behind the scenes. Now let's talk visuals. Tool number 3 is Midjourney, and it's about to unlock your inner artist, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. Just type in a creative prompt and watch as Midjourney transforms your words into stunning original art. It's like having an on-demand design team, but without the creative differences and project delays. Chapter 4, Canva's AI Design, Graphic Design, Made Easy. Canva's AI design feature makes graphic design ridiculously easy, even if you've never touched Photoshop in your life. No design background needed, Canva's AI design does the heavy lifting for you. Chapter 5, Pictory AI, your AI video editing guru. Pictory AI is your go-to for automated video creation, making it easier than ever to captivate your audience with engaging visuals. It's a game changer for YouTubers, social media marketers, and anyone who wants to harness the power of video without the traditional editing headaches. Chapter 6, Synthesia, put your best AI face forward. Synthesia lets you generate lifelike videos using AI avatars. It's a game changer for creating product demos, explainer videos, and any other type of content where you want a human touch without actually having to be on camera. Tool number 7 is Copy.ai, and it's a must-have for anyone who wants to write copy that converts like crazy. Copy.ai takes your creative ideas and transforms them into high-converting copy for emails, ad campaigns, or landing pages. It's perfect for affiliate marketers, entrepreneurs, or anyone who wants to level up their writing game. Next up, we have Adzuma, and if you're running any kind of online advertising, you need this tool in your arsenal. Adzuma analyzes your ad performance in real time, constantly learning and optimizing to maximize your return on investment. No more wasting money on ads that don't convert. Tool number 9 is DeepL Pro, and it's about to change the way you think about translation. DeepL Pro is an AI translation service that breaks down language barriers, allowing you to connect with a global audience like never before. It translates text instantly with impressive accuracy, ensuring that your message resonates with audiences worldwide. Last but not least, we have AutoShorts.ai, a tool that's specifically designed to help you capitalize on the massive popularity of short-form video. Just input your ideas and let AutoShorts.ai work its magic. It crafts engaging, attention-grabbing short videos that are perfect for social media. So there you have it, 10 AI tools that can help you level up your business, boost your income, and achieve your financial goals in 2025 and beyond. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible, empowering anyone with an internet connection to harness the power of AI. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. These tools are just the beginning.